Here's how to use Instagram Instants. Now here I have my iPhone and my Android. I'm going to walk you through how to use the new feature called Instagram Instants. And you can access that by getting into your messages. So tap on the message icon at the bottom center, right here, that little airplane. And now you should see introducing instants. However, if you don't see that, you'll see at the bottom right is instants. You can tap on it. And it says introducing instance, the photos will disappear. There's no viewer list. And you can go through to how it works and essentially go through. Now, if you've already set it up, you'll just see a little plus icon at the bottom right of your messages. Just tap on that. And here you can see it automatically shows your camera. At the top right, if you tap on those squares, it will show you your past instance that you've already created. I haven't created any yet, but I'll show you after I create one how to delete it if you wanted to. You can see here I can flip the camera, either the front-facing or rear-facing camera. I can turn on or off flash. And at the bottom, I can choose whether to send it to just my friends or to my close friends. So let's go through an example. So I'm going to take the image. You can see as I tap on it, it automatically sends that as an instant. So there's no send button. If you tap on the squares at the top right, you'll be able to see here are the two ones I just created with my iPhone and Android. And you can see it doubled them on that instance. Now, if I tap on these, you'll be able to see if somebody reacted to that instant, but there's going to be no more comment. They can't send you a message on that. They can't screenshot it or save it, etc. And if you ever wanted to delete an instant, just tap on the three dots at the top right and then hit delete. Of course, you can save it to your camera roll as well. But in this case, I'm just going to delete out of these because I don't necessarily want them out there. After you've deleted them, you should be able to just refresh this. Let me go back in here, and it should show that there's no current Instagram instance. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.